So this week for Enhancement 7, I'm going to show my client update PHP and the changes that are going to be made are going to reflect in the admin PHP, and I'm going to validate my client update PHP. So let's start with that. I'm going to run this. I will log in. I'll just do Samdo. Alright, so I'm logged in. Then I'm going to go to update account information, and here's my update account, and then here's my change password. So we're first gonna change. I'm gonna show changes. I'll change his last name, and I will change the end of the email to be .org. And it says, "Congratulations, Sam. The information was successfully updated." So there's that. And you can see the changes made. And now I'm gonna make sure my HTML is valid. And it says no errors or warnings shown, so it's all good. And now I'm gonna change my password. And then it says, "Congratulations, Sam, the password was successfully updated." So that's looking good. And so now I'm gonna log out and log back in with the new password. And that worked. So I think that's all I have to do for this enhancement.